It is Friday of Memorial Day weekend, and I'm here, it's hard to see, taking drone shots of the sunrise. And I know sunrises are not really the best when it's like this, but this is still absolutely gorgeous. And I'm sure that the drone can probably really give you a better idea. Like right now we're doing a time lapse. You can kind of see them slowly going on the beach. But today, everyone's getting ready to come down here. So many amazing things are going to be happening this weekend. Not too many people on the beach, mostly because the bugs are awful. It's incredible how bad the bugs are today, but it is going to be such a beautiful day. Anyway, let me show you the footage from the Seagull. This video is sponsored by Cluster's handcrafted popcorn of Wildwood. Fresh gourmet popcorn made daily in mouth-watering flavors like white cheddar, toasted coconut, and garlic parmesan. Visit Cluster's on the Wildwood Boardwalk between Wildwood and Oak Avenue, or at clusterspopcornwildwood.com for a delightful Cluster's experience. On a complete side note, this is the perfect time to come to the beach because you can find sand dollars, which right now it's low tide, so I'm going to try to find some while this thing is filming. And not to say how I know it's going to be a good day is because I started off and walked on the beach and just found soggy money on the ground. And if you haven't done so yet, please go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which I'm on right now. Anyway, I'll see you later.